Hello class, today we're going to be demonstrating the grub configuration menu in Linux seed. Let's get straight into it. So we have here, we see first command, enter this, and this will get you to the grub configuration menu. So I'm going to type this in. We have our virtual machine over here. Sudo h this, just like this, guys. This should not show us the menu, but it should give us like the default. Oh my goodness. Yeah, like this. This is pretty cool. This is the default. I'm gonna put this over here. That's good. Now next we have to create an account, and we're going to be using sudo add user super, and our password is going to be no access. So let us continue. Okay, wait, I think I have to delete this thing first. Work team. Okay, nice. Sudo add user super. It's gonna add this. It's gonna tell us for the password no access. It's gonna tell you to retype it again. This is a security thing. No access. Successfully. That's gonna tell you you can just hit enter on these and then hit Y. There we go. Now we got new user super, and then we have to make this a super user. Super user means it can do a lot more things than normal user. To make a super user, we're gonna use sudo user mod. It's gonna change the user mod, and this is to get to the super. Sudo be super, and then to super. It's gonna put super into the super user account. So this is good for that. So let us do this. Sudo user mod sudo super. There we go. Super user. Now we're gonna make an account for the grub account, but this time the password's gonna be secure. So we're gonna do sudo add user Good job. Secured. I'm gonna type it again. Secured. Enter, enter, enter. Y. There we go. Clear that up. We don't get the congestion in the terminal, you know? Now we need to check the groups to see if they're correct. Now we have group seed. Oh yeah, we have to check the groups now. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do groups. I typed it in the Word doc. I'm so sorry, guys. Groups super. Now you see we have super and we have super sudo. That's how you know it works. Now we do it for the user. There we go, team. Now this is cooking in Unix. Now we have sudo reboot. What this is gonna do is gonna reboot the system, and we're gonna be able to see our hard-earned work. Sudo reboot. I've actually never tried this command, so I don't know how long it's gonna take. As you can see, it is rebooting, and we should see our groups in the starting machine. I'm going to pause it until it loads, because mine takes a long time, so give me a sec, guys. Okay, it is about done loading, guys. Now you see we have 3. Instead of having just seed, we have 3 more. Or not 3 more, I'm so sorry, guys. We have 2 more. We have super and user. Now this is what we're talking about. We're going to go back to seed for this one. We did a very nice job, guys. Now go back in, type the password. You know what it is. Get into the machine. We're going to go check the encryption passwords now. This is very cool. Because it's very simple. You could just create accounts like this. You don't have to go through none of that BS you have to go through when you go on Windows or Mac or any of that. You just go straight to the meat and potatoes, the brass tacks. Okay, I'm gonna pause again. It might take a minute to load. Give me a sec. Okay, as you can see, we are back, and we see the lightning bolt background, the Seed Labs technology. Let us get in. We are going to check the passwords now, and we're going to see if the encrypted accounts are working. So surely my terminal will open soon and we can begin. But I'll show you the commands we're doing right now. Okay, so we have, this one's going to check for super, and this one's going to check for user. We have sudo cat, and this is going to get in, and then we have the directory of the account, etc, and shadow. And we have to grep the user with this little bar thing. This is going to get the user account, and it's going to show us the password and everything. So we type it in. Okay, it's not loading yet. It's okay. It's okay if it takes time. Slow and steady wins the race. I might have to pause again though. Okay, yo, give me a second, guys. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I have to restart my whole PC. I really don't like VirtualBox, but we'll have to get the job done somehow. Okay, let us get back at the terminal and surely it will work this time. Here we go. This is a sight we like to see. Okay, we're going to begin by typing sudo cat etc shadow grep and the line thing. And we're going to start with super first. I know it says user in the super doc, but we will start with super first, just because it follows a linear path. Okay, as we can see, this is the encrypted machine. It's pretty cool, no? This is technology. And it starts with $6. This is important because this means we're using encryption with the SHA-512. So this is very important, guys. And then we're going to do this with the second command. You can just push the up arrow and go. This is a quick shortcut, you know? You don't have to retype the whole thing. And now you can see it's a different encryption entirely, different characters, different everything. This is pretty cool. And that, you are done. Thank you guys for watching. Everyone have a fantastic day.